Dear students, welcome to the MOOC on Media Content Production on Multiple Platforms. I am Professor Krishna Kusuma, working at AJK Mass Communication Research Center, Jamia Millia Islamia. The media landscape has undergone a remarkable transformation. Today, content is created and consumed across cinema, television, streaming services, social media, mobile devices, and virtual reality and 360-degree video. Audiences now have the freedom to access content anytime and anywhere, creating new possibilities for media creators and storytellers. This 15-week, 4-credit course introduces you to the evolving world of media production in the digital age. You will explore the characteristics of different media platforms and understand their content requirements and learn the key strategies of video production for contemporary media environments. The course offers practical insights into creating content tailored to diverse platforms. Through video lectures, reading materials, quizzes, assignments, and interactive discussions, you will gain both theoretical and practical knowledge. In addition, weekly live lectures and interactive sessions with experts will explore emerging trends in media production, including the growing role of artificial intelligence tools in content creation, editing, and distribution. Whether you are a student, media professional, or media enthusiast, this course provides an excellent opportunity to develop relevant skills and stay updated with the changing media ecosystem. I invite you to join this exciting learning journey and enroll the course by visiting www.swayam.gov.in. Thank you.